Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on morning walk. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is morning walk is a simple and healthy activity. Second line is it involves taking a walk outside early morning. Third line is the fresh air in the morning is good for our health. Fourth line is it helps to wake up our body and mind. Fifth line is they provide a peaceful and quiet start to the day. Sixth line is walking in the morning improves blood circulation. Seventh line is it is a great way to enjoy nature and the surroundings. Eighth line is it is good for maintaining our body weight. Ninth line is they boost energy levels and enhance mood. Last line, that is line number 10, is taking a morning walk is a positive habit for overall well being.